guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my unboxing of the Huda Beauty mystery box. This is the small one. It was $49. I hope it's worth it. Look at the cute bag it comes in. I've never seen anything like this. It's a reusable Ziploc bag. I'm easily amused, I guess. Because look, it already has bubble wrap in it. I think it's cool. I'm going to keep that for something. Is there something the matter here? Anyway, sorry about that. Comes with a little iridescent bag. This is the 5-piece bundle. There's four things plus the bag, so that's a cute bag. Okay. It says, we hope you love your mystery bundle, gorgeous, because we hope you found. Someone needs to proofread her stuff. Because we hope you found, I'm just going to edit for them, found some new favorites you'll want to stock up on. Use code blah blah. Okay. That's nice. So, this is Wishful. This is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. Okay. Is that a sample? I guess that's a sample. That's nice. Okay. I was going to get mad if that was one of the items. Anyway. Oh. This is their Diamond Balm Sparkly Lip Balm. I have the shade Seductress. It looks like that. Okay. Let's see. Packaging is really pretty. Here's what that looks like. Very pretty. So, and I'll have prices up when I edit to see if the box was worth it. So then we got Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in Mogul. Can you see? It's the shade, if you can see. Then we have, what is this? Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. Okay. I got the shade Room Service on one side, and then Do Not Disturb on the other. Those are pretty. And the last thing I got in here was the Huda Beauty Nude Rich palette. So that looks like. Well, that's pretty. That's pretty. Okay. So you got the makeup, part of the thing was the makeup bag. Then you got a palette. I got the lip balm, a Demi Matte Cream lipstick, and the Matte Metal Melted Shadows. They threw in a Wishful moisturizer sample. And because I had a $49 order, I was able to get the mini Kayali collection for free. me open this little guy. So I have Elixir 2, which is Red Apple, Rose de Mai Absolute, Jasmine Sunbach Absolute, Vanilla and Patchouli. Citrus, number 8, is Bergamot, Pink Grapefruit, Rose Centifolia, Musk, and Oak Moss. Musk, number 12, is Lotus Flower, Jasmine, Musks, Vanilla, and Sandalwood. And vanilla, number 28, is Vanilla Orchid, Tonka Absolute, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, and Musk. These are just little sample guys, but I've always wanted to try her perfume, but it's always so expensive. So I got these little guys to try, so that was nice. I got those for free. So, get back in there. I'll have the totals listed. I did pay $49 for the small because I wasn't sure if I got the bigger one, if I'd like everything. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like mystery box unboxings. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you'd like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.